When it comes to architectural design, one of the most essential skills is the ability to communicate your ideas effectively. Perspective drawing plays a vital role in bringing your architectural concept to life that will help you to showcase your vision in a realistic way. Don't worry if you are new to perspective drawing, it's a skill that can be mastered with a little practice and some helpful tips. In this video, I will explore some easy technique to create stunning perspective drawings. Don't forget to download the free guide about easy perspective in architecture linked in the description below. So, first of all, you need to understand the basics. Perspective is the representation of three-dimensional objects on a two-dimensional surface, giving the illusion of depth and space. The primary components of perspective drawing include the horizon line, vanishing points, and converging lines. The horizon line represents the viewer's eye level, while vanishing points are points on the horizon line where parallel lines appear to converge. Now that there are different types of perspective, in this video I will talk about the ones that are the most used: 1-point, 2-point, and 3-point perspective. I think it's important to choose the right perspective, as 1-point perspective is ideal for frontal views, 2-point for corner views, and 3-point for high or low angle views. Selecting the appropriate perspective will change the impact of your drawing and effectively communicate your design's unique features. If you want to know more about this, let me know in the comments for a future video. So let me show you using basic shapes the different perspective. 1-point perspective. This is the simplest and most commonly used perspective. It involves drawing lines that converge to a single vanishing point, creating an illusion of depth and space. 2-point perspective. In this perspective, there are two vanishing points, usually located on the horizon line. It allows for a more dynamic and realistic representation of the building's form and depth. 3-point perspective. This one is my favorite. This perspective adds a third vanishing point above or below the horizon line, creating an even more dramatic and dynamic view. It's often used for capturing tall buildings or dramatic angles. Now that you understand the main rules, I will now draw quick house sketches using each of the perspectives. As I said before, 1-point perspective is ideal for frontal views, so in this case I'm going to draw the front facade of the house. The first thing I do, of course, is to start with basic shapes. I use light, loose lines to sketch the outline of my building, windows, doors, or any other structural components. Starting with simple shapes will allow you to easily make adjustments and refine your drawing as you progress. Usually, I prefer to make these lines even lighter, but as I want you to see it well in the camera, that's how it looks now. Once you have the basic structure in place, start adding more details and texture to your drawing. Consider the materials and texture you want to portray: brick, wood, glass. Use hatching and shading techniques to give depth and realism to your architectural elements. This step is where your drawings start to come to life and captivate the viewer. I want to draw the same house, but this time using 2-point perspective. As I said before, 2-point perspective is ideal for corner views. If you want your 2-point perspective drawing to look better and more realistic, it's better to put your vanishing points far from each other. Ensure that your drawing maintains accurate scale and proportions. Any inaccuracies in your drawing could impact the overall look of your design. What I like to do is to double check the size of various elements in relation to one another. Three-point perspective. Now we'll draw the house using 3-point perspective rules. Again, you will have a better result if you place the vanishing point not as close as here. I will leave it here. So, Perspective drawing is a great skill for architects to effectively convey their design ideas to clients, colleagues, and the public. Remember, like any creative stuff, practice and patience will lead to significant improvement in your drawing abilities. So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Pick up that pen, start sketching today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to download your free PDF linked in the description below. And if you still have time, you can check these other cool videos here. See you!